Question number 1. Modifying a record from a binary file, this time using a temporary file. So step 1, you need to import all the necessary modules. Here you need to import the OS module because we will make use of two functions, remove and rename. That's the reason why OS module is imported. Now you can write the function header. Variable R contains the roll number of the student whose marks you want to modify. Example taken 20. Now this is your binary file. It contains 3 dictionaries. So we want to modify the second record because for the second record the roll number is 20. So this marks should be modified. Step 1. The file must be opened for reading purpose. A temporary file must be opened for writing purpose. So this is that temporary file. One record is read from this binary file and it is stored in variable D. So D will contain one record. Now if you want to read all the records, use infinite while loop. On reaching the last record, load function throws an error. Using try and except, you can catch that error. Once the use is over, you need to close both the files. So in Python, if multiple statements are written in the same line, they should be separated using semicolon. So D will contain the first record, the first dictionary. How do you get the roll number present in D? D of R and O will give you the roll number present in D. So if D of R and O equal to R, in case 1, D of R and O is 10, R is 20, they are not equal, which means this is not the dictionary to be modified. So control will go to else part, pass, empty statement, which means this dictionary need not be modified. And this dictionary is written to the temporary file. So you can write pickle.dump, what to write, where to write. So this dictionary will be written to the temporary file. Because of infinite while loop, the second record will appear in variable D. So now D contains a second record. This time what is D of R and O? 20. What is R? That is also 20. So this is the dictionary to be modified. So here the new marks must appear. So from the keyboard you can read new marks and that should be assigned to this memory location. So how do you get this memory location? D of marks will give you this memory location. So suppose if the new marks entered from the keyboard is 90, then that is assigned to D of marks. So here 90 will appear. And this modified dictionary is written to the temporary file. So you can see temporary file contains modified marks. Because of infinite while loop, the last dictionary will appear in variable D. So this contains the last record. D of R and O is 30. Variable R contains 20. So 30 equal to 20 wrong. Control will go to else part. Pass means empty statement. No need to modify this dictionary. Nothing to be done. Now that dictionary is written to temporary file. So third dictionary comes here. Because of infinite while loop, load function will try to read the fourth dictionary. It does not exist in this file. So load function throws an exception. It is caught here. Now this is the original binary file. This is the temporary file. The binary file stud.dat should be removed from the hard disk. So you can write os.remove stud.dat. So this is removed from the hard disk. Now you can rename temp.dat to stud.dat. For that you can use os.rename. The existing name should be written first followed by the new name. So now temp.dat is modified as stud.dat. And in the new stud.dat the modified marks appear. So this is how you modify record present in a binary file using a temporary file.